Okay, so the typical day of a warehouse associate starts at 7:30. We would then hit our morning meeting in which they go over the driver's return times for the day, the inside's goals for the day, the safety topic for the day, and then after everything was discussed, we'd then hit our stretch for about 15 minutes. After the stretching goes, the drivers will go to load their trucks. The warehouse associates will then hit download, prep and clean the furniture from the previous day, deem whether it needs to be retail or rental, and then get the furniture put away. And then typically we would hit lunch after that. After lunch you come back, you'll pull all your furniture for the next day and prep it and get it ready for the drive teams. My favorite part of the day, honestly, is probably getting ready to go home because, at CORT Furniture, there's not an easy job. Everybody works really hard, but there's a sense of accomplishment. You see that furniture, looking good, ready to go out, and, a lot of times we deal with fire victims, insurance victims, and, it's a good feeling knowing that you could be potentially helping somebody in a bad spot. That's not all we do. We do stagers and other things like that, but, little things like that really go a long way, for me at least.